Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset and restore missing panels and workspaces in Adobe After Effects. When you're working in After Effects and by mistake you close the timeline and composition viewer, all of a sudden you can't work anymore. Let me show you a few quick things you can do to bring everything back. At the top right corner of your After Effects window, you'll see these double arrows. Just click on them and you can select workspaces like Animation or Essential Graphics. For basic work, Animation works best because it has all the panels from the default workspace. But the problem isn't actually fixed. You're just using another workspace and your default workspace is still jumbled. Now, if you want to fix your default workspace, or if you don't see those double arrows, don't stress. Go up to the Window menu, then click on Workspace. You'll see all those same workspaces right there, and you can reset or switch your workspace from this menu as well. Click on Reset to Default Saved Layout. This will reset your default workspace. If you can't reset it, I'm afraid you'll need to reset it manually. Let's close the timeline and composition viewer again and reset everything manually. Go to the Window menu again, and you'll find everything there, such as Align, Audio, Preview, Effects and Presets, Libraries, Timeline, Composition Viewer, basically everything you need. I'll click on Timeline to bring back the Timeline panel, then go back to Window and click on Composition to bring back the Composition Viewer. And that's how you can reset and restore missing panels in After Effects. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.